Pawpaw Sammy here. Today's video is we're going to just talk about what zone you're in, what you can put in the ground, how you can handle it, and also take care of your fruit trees. Welcome to Pawpaw Sammy and Alibug, people. I'm at Starkey's Farmstead. Yeah, Farmstead. I'll get it in a minute. And you look where we're standing. It's a pretty straight boundary, about 1/8 of an acre. This acre, 1/8 of an acre, has kept her and her husband and people and neighbors in vegetables all year round. That hay over there, they'll roll it out. People, a little fact before I go. This hay you cover your garden with, check out your local cattle farmers and people that's got hay left over from last year, and they'll cut you a deal.
Yeah, they will.
I mean, it'll help them and help you. Instead of them wind up burning it or whatever, put it out there and use it.
That's right. And some people do worry about glyphosate. Just ask the farmer.
That's right.
Half of them don't have the money to put glyphosate. That's just trash hay.
That's right. It's trash. Just cut it. Look at it. When they cut it, just let it lay down. And if you look real careful, look at this. Look. See that? They'll roll that hay out on top of this, let it set, come back and plant their fall garden, and go again. It don't take much. 1/8 of an acre, you can feed 4 or 5 people pretty well with it if you do it right. 9A, 9B zone. And in this garden right here, you can put cabbage, mustard greens, cauliflower, I suppose broccoli.
Yes. So when you say zone, what do you mean zone?
Well, we're kind of, exaggerated. We're temperate zone. The further north you go, less temperate.
Okay, so how do you find what zone you are?
They have maps. You can look it up online.
All right, so that would be the USDA.
Yeah, USDA.
Okay, so we're zone 9A, 9B. We're in that weird zone. If I go look that up, why does that matter what zone I'm in?
Well, it depends on what you plant.
And when to plant it,
And
that's
when
right.
to plant it, yeah. I mean, otherwise, you plant something the wrong time of the year, you might make a partial crop, but it just won't do right. Right now, right here, mustard greens and cabbage would go great right here, right now.
Okay, so that's this zone. Okay, we're moving into fall. In Louisiana, some days it's still 90 degrees, but it is starting to cool down.
Right.
So it's a perfect time to go pick up my seeds and anything like that. I could do beets. I could do anything like that that's considered a cool crop, correct?
Right. A cool crop.
Lettuce, collards.
Yeah, collard greens, mustard greens, like I said, broccoli. It just goes on and on. Most of your beans and peas and corns and okras, all that's past. That's usually summertime crops.
All right, so that's summer. It's heat crops.
Yeah, heat crops. Unless you go, fig tree, they go in the ground in the springtime. And I'll tell you, they will actually get a little size to them to produce the biggest, sweetest figs you ever tasted. My tree at the house, I'm getting figs, bunches of them.
Okay, so why do you put your fruiting trees in the ground in the spring?
It gives the roots time to set, get in there and get established. And then that way, possibly without a severe winter, you can make it through the winter with no problem.
Okay, so you plant them in the spring. That gives them all the way till winter to be prepared to get through the really cold of winter. Okay.
Now, a fig tree is almost indestructible.
Yeah,
in
they
the
are.
right zone. I've had mine freeze slim down to the ground, completely down to the ground, and I figured that's the end of it. You ought to see it now. It's massive.
Okay, so tell us what this black pipe is hiding over here.
Oh, that's right. You got them on all your trees. That is for deep water. You take, and you can take and pour food, or fertilize, rabbit manure, chicken manure, whatever.
Worm castings.
Worm castings in here, and water it. That puts the water deep in the ground, which takes these roots, they go down. They'll pull down to the water. They get deep rooted, your plants are in a lot better shape.
That's right, because, okay, so just so you guys can understand this, the nearest water is where that shop is. There's no professional no professional irrigation laid down even for the 1/4 acre market garden area where my mom's standing. I'm not toting water an acre across a yard. Water's very heavy. So what we do is immediately when we plant fruiting trees in this yard, they get, every single one of them, their own deep water system. We water that. We don't water the tree. Now, when you first put the tree in, for the first week or two, we do top water.
Oh, yeah.
Because the roots are baby, they're thin.
Right.
But
I'm sorry.
go ahead. No, you go ahead. It's your video.
All right, now listen. The thing is this. Once it starts to get established like this, next year, I would come out here and pick out the 2 I wanted to save. Everything else would be gone. I mean, totally gone. And the reason being, that'll pull all that juice back to these 2 big ones, and it'll get up 7, 8, 10 foot tall. And when it gets to where you want it to stop growing, look, you pinch this top off. And once you pinch that top off, it starts fruiting. You're telling the plant, quit growing, start growing fruit.
Okay.
So I mean, just pinch the tops off.
Good deal. All right. So it is the beginning of fall. You don't need much space.
No.
Not at all. Now, we do not till. Everybody gardens a little different, but I still grow food just like everybody else.
She's got 3 different locations for her chickens. One back there, one to my left over here, and this one. This is a solar electric fence, solar powered. So chickens originated Asia Minor in that area anyway. And they're jungle fowls. So if you're gonna put them out like this, he's hard to see, look how pretty he is. If you're gonna put them out like this, you need to let it grow up where the chickens can scoot back under it and they feel safe. Now, you notice one done got out and making around the yard. They'll fly out sometimes and they'll fly right back in. So there's no problem with that.
No, because, and I'll tell you guys, the reason they can do that is we have a German Shepherd out here that is trained for livestock protection. So he kind of monitors the chickens that get out of the fence.
Yeah, and if you notice the eggs, look, I imagine they got eggs all up in there.
You just got to walk around and pick them up.
But you see how they pick and they look how pretty they are. Subscribing, hit the like button, tell me what zone you're in, and we'll figure out what you can plant.